This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into YouTube. Use a desktop browser for full controls. Navigate directly to YouTube. com/new or the experimental features page to list active tests. Once there, scan the list and make a quick note of any experiments you currently see enabled. This helps revert later if needed. You'll need to check whether sign-in is tied to a Google account profile, so confirm that you're in the intended account before toggling anything. Now you'll remove experiments one by one. Click the experiment card and choose Manage or Details. You should see a toggle or an opt-out button. Turn it off or opt out, and wait for the page to confirm the change. Make sure to repeat this for every experiment you want disabled, because some tests are grouped and require separate toggles. Once done, reload YouTube to verify the UI returns to the standard experience, and clear cached pages if you still see test features. Finish by clearing your browser cache and cookies, then reload YouTube to enforce the changes. This often removes lingering experimental UI elements. If you still see experiments, sign out and sign back in, or open an incognito window to rule out account sync. As a final step, check browser Chrome, //flags, or Edge //flags for related feature flags only if you changed them before. Reset flags if needed. If problems continue, document the experiment names and contact YouTube support for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.